Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change username on Twitter or X.com. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change username on X.com or Twitter, go to your browser and browse X.com, and then on left pane go to more option, click on more option, and then scroll down, and the last option is settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and then under your account you will find account information. Click on account information. Here you just type your password. I'm typing my password here and click on confirm, and here you will find username. Click on username and you will find your username here, and X.com will give some suggestions for the username, and you can choose the username from the suggestion, or you can change the username as you wish. After changing the username, then click on save. The username will be changed in your X.com. This is the easiest way to change username on X.com or Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.